Hello, my workers are stupid. I hear this so many times that I would like to address this topic because this is a limiting belief. Here are some of the phrases supervisors or managers use. My workers are lazy, or they want to spend the minimum time in the plant and get the highest possible pay, or they just don't get it, or there are no good people out there. I have 3 simple questions for the people in leadership positions with this kind of mindset to answer. Number 1, why would you hire stupid people in the first place? Number 2, how do your employees manage to stay in the job if they are stupid? And finally, number 3, did they become stupid after they started working for you? I know that workers aren't stupid. These are the people who need guidance, leadership and support on how to become better at what they do and how to become better individuals. I have met so many open-minded people on the production floor who willingly adapt to change. There is a big difference between unknowledgeable and being stupid. Being unknowledgeable can be corrected through coaching and training. Stupidity is a lack of intelligence, understanding, reason or wit. I do my best to find something positive in every situation. Have you ever considered that stupid could also stand for smart, talented, unique people in demand? It is just a matter how we label people and the perspective we have when we do so. What about you? Do you ever feel exhausted because your employees don't do what you want them to do? Choose a different perspective and you will be surprised. If you judge people, you limit them. This was my thought for today, and I will see you next week again. Until then, be happy, be healthy, and be at your best.